Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Of course, this is the intraday analysis which we do every day after the daily analysis in few hours, of course, to check what's happened inside our chart on the 1 hour and the 15-minute time frames. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates and drop your questions and comments below. I will be glad to answer it. So starting with Bitcoin on the 1 hour chart, as we saw in the daily, we have said we are looking at several 1-2s here, and we have finished the orange label with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finishing the wave 3 in a yellow, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, finishing the wave 3 in white, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are looking right now to the wave 5, which is very potentially to end very soon, where we want to hit almost the 0.618 taken, of course, from your zigzag, actually, your big zigzag on the 1 hour chart that we are looking at here, where we are looking for A, B, and a C. And don't forget, this is the last zigzag of your diagonal towards the upside. To remind you, let's go to the 4 hour chart. We are looking to a contracting diagonal here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And inside your fifth waves, you want to seek for a zigzag towards the upside. Now you have two targets for your zigzags, which one is 1-to-1 flip level, which is the most common, and one uncommon target is the 0.618. However, the trick here is that if we want to reach the 1-to-1 fib level, therefore we are not in contracting diagonal anymore, we are in triple 1-2s. And in that case scenario, you are looking at wave 3 of your first 1-2 here, and again the same scenario that happened here is gonna repeat, of course, on a bigger scale, guys. Therefore, this is your start of your impulse in case we breach the 100k fib level, which is at the wave 3 level, of course, at 74,377. However, looking at the 15-minute chart, we are looking at a possible finished wave 5, because yeah, it's very rare that we can get an impulse from this higher. Unless guys, as I mentioned today, if this will be considered as 1-2, however, it doesn't look like for me because it looks like a zigzag, and we did not took the high here, so we cannot consider this as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. We didn't, of course, took the high here. It looks much more like a 3 waves towards the downside as A, B, and a C, where your wave C is already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as well. And in that case scenario, of course, let's say that it might be your wave 1-2 anyway. Therefore, you are looking for a retracement a little bit bigger, of course, to match a little bit your wave 2 here, which is gonna be a wave 4 and then a 5 towards the upside. However, for me now it is a less possibility here. It is, I give it just 30%. I would give it a much more a zigzag possibility here to be finished for our diagonal in a zigzag form, and after having, of course, an a WXY as a wave B here for an A, B, and a C. And in that case scenario, you might finish your diagonal here in the top, of course, where you are looking for a big wave 1. So going back on the 4 hour chart here, possibly you are looking for a big wave 1 in a diagonal, leading diagonal, of course, where you are looking for a 1 and then a 2 again later on, of course, and then to move up with a massive wave 3 towards the upside. Now, how much deeper can be your wave 2? It depends. This is coming next, of course, once we confirm that we are moving down and not continuation towards the upside. So going back again to our 15-minute chart, as you can see inside this wave 5, we are currently looking possibly at the last move towards the upside after having a B, and a C for your wave 4 here, and then moving with a zigzag for a wave 1, zigzag for a wave 2, very deep, and then one more zigzag towards the upside for your wave 3, possibly 5 again, and possibly only one more wave 5 only here. Therefore, guys, I would suggest that we are very close to an end. Of course, here, if we move a little bit in the 5-minute chart, we can see as well here much more clearly that the price action has started to be weakened, especially that it has moved a little bit to the outside of the channel here, which is a signal, of course, of a weakness. However, it went back again massively, just to finish, of course, a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, potentially in a contracting diagonal, where we are looking, of course, possibly for a zigzag here inside your wave 3, and possibly here a finished zigzag for a wave 4, and then one final zigzag for your wave 5. However, we still need, of course, to take the high here a little bit, and then it might give us a signal towards the downside around those fib levels that we are looking for already. So we are looking almost, around 72,000, possibly 72,000, 150, 200, it doesn't matter, but this area is very critical, because it's gonna finish, of course, our strong uptrend for the last days, 2 days that we have been watching. After this, guys, if we get a 3 waves corrective, of course, that might be your wave 2 reply for this wave 2, of course, and we might see a continuation after it with a last wave, of course, for this 1, 2 here. However, if that last wave can break the 100k scenario towards the 100k, if it is higher and it reaches this level, I would say, guys, that we are clear to go for a wave 3 towards the 100k. Very simple. Here we go. We are taking the high now. So let me upload the video before it finishes. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.